Hi everyone, so I had a trouble with my LCD burn on my Galaxy S8. You can see right here on the bottom, this part is still, you can slightly see it's a little bit darker than usual because it's like always, mostly it's all stay black or different colors. So as you can see on the white background, you can see a little bit, it's much darker. So, and then on the top you can see this line too. I don't know if you would be able to see it in the video, but it's got much better. I was using this, I'll show you this one. It's called LCD burn-in. You can find it at the Google store or the Play Store. Once you open it, you can do either color rotation or the white screen, and then you can pick for how long you want to do it, and then just click on start. And it'll be doing like a LCD, it'll be fixing pretty much your LCD screen. So that's the new app. You can try to use it. It works for me. It's got way better on my Galaxy S8, but not all the way. I only use it for like 4 hours, but it's got much better before. So you just go to App Store, Play Store, and just type in LCD burn-in wiper. This is the app. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know if it works for you too. I appreciate your comments. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.